Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie company video. Pearl's Lust Massage Kit was created by Orgie with the purpose of increasing the couple's intimacy, providing unique moments of complicity, arousal and pleasure with a sensorial massage. Orgie also recommends this product for self-love. This evolving and luxurious kit contains Orgie Silk Glove, a premium silicone massage gel with a mild mint fragrance that delivers a dry silky touch as if you were wearing a silky glove. This pearl necklace, the key tool to perform a sensual and sensorial massage on penis, vulva and other erogenous zones by stimulating several pleasure spots. And this printed guide with detailed step-by-step direction to perform the pearls massage. Make sure you get the most out of this by letting your imagination into this foreplay. And using it is very simple. Squeeze 2 or 3 pump doses of Silky Glove massage gel on your hands and massage it on the intended area. Cover the necklace with the remaining gel on your hands. Start with the directions of Pearl's massage guide and let go. A word of advice. Orgie recommends not to use other Pearl's necklace than this one provided with the kit. Let your senses be transported to a state of pure arousal and bliss. Thanks for watching us. Goodbye and dare yourself.